Hi guys, so the question is integer replacement. As you can see, you have given a positive integer n. You can apply one of the following operation. If n is even, replace n with n by 2, or if n is odd, replace n with either n plus 1 or n minus 1. Return the minimum number of operation to needed for n to become 1. Okay, so what we have to do, we have, let's for example given n is equal to 8. Okay, so n is what, even. Okay, so it is divisible by 2, it will be divided, it will become 4. Still divisible by 2, it will be divided, become 2, divided by 4, 4 divided by 2 will become 2. Still divisible, it will become 1. Okay, so how many what I can say operation it takes 3 operation. Okay, as you can see, so we have to find out that how we're going to do it. Let me show you the solution. Return solve long n. Okay, unordered map long int int dp int solve long and if n is equal to, it will be a base case. If n is equal to 1, then we'll return 0 operation it takes. If dp dot count, if we have already reached the count, then return what I can say, return dp n. Okay, if n is equal mod 2 is equal to 0, we don't need square bracket, curly braces, it will be dp n is equal to 1 plus solve n by 2. If it divisible, if it even, we'll use this operation, else dp n is equal to 1 plus minimal solve n minus 1 comma solve n plus 1. Okay, so yeah, return dp n. Okay, let's run this code. So yeah, guys, the code is working fine. As you can see, beat runtime 22% and memory almost 10%. Not that good, but yeah, we can improve it. So yeah guys, that's it for today. If you have any doubt, write down in the comment section. I will very happy to reply. Thank you.